Homes in Mandeville experience a climate where moisture and humidity are part of everyday life. For homeowners considering window upgrades, it's natural to wonder how different window styles hold up in these conditions. Bay windows, known for their outward projection and wide glass panels, are a popular design feature, but they also need to perform well in a humid environment. Understanding how bay windows handle moisture, airflow, and temperature can help you decide if they're the right choice for your home. Built to handle moisture exposure, humidity can be tough on many building materials, but modern bay windows are designed with moisture resistance in mind. Properly constructed frames and tightly sealed joints help prevent moisture from seeping into the home. When installed correctly, bay windows create a solid barrier that protects interior spaces from excess humidity. For Mandeville homeowners, this means bay windows can perform reliably without contributing to moisture-related issues when quality materials and professional installation are part of the process. Promoting air circulation. One advantage of bay windows is their ability to incorporate operable side windows. These side panels can be opened to promote airflow, helping reduce indoor humidity levels. Improved circulation allows moist air to escape while bringing in fresh outdoor air, creating a more comfortable indoor environment. In homes where managing humidity is important, this airflow can make a noticeable difference. Mandeville homeowners often appreciate how bay windows support natural ventilation while maintaining a visually appealing design. Maintaining structural stability. Humidity can cause some materials to expand or shift over time, which is why stability matters. Bay windows are designed with reinforced framing to support their outward structure. This added strength helps the window maintain its shape and performance even in fluctuating moisture conditions. When properly installed, bay windows remain secure and stable, providing long-term reliability for Mandeville homes. A solid structure also ensures smooth operation of any opening sections. Protecting interior comfort. Humidity often makes indoor spaces feel warmer and less comfortable. Bay windows with modern glass options help reduce heat transfer while maintaining bright, open views. This helps balance indoor temperatures and reduces the impact of humid air on overall comfort. For homeowners in Mandeville, this means enjoying the beauty of bay windows without feeling overwhelmed by heat or moisture. Comfortable interiors make living spaces more enjoyable year-round. Preventing common moisture concerns. A common concern in humid climates is condensation. Quality bay windows are built with insulated glass and proper sealing that reduce the likelihood of condensation forming on interior surfaces. This helps protect walls, window sills, and surrounding trim from moisture damage. By minimizing condensation, bay windows contribute to a healthier indoor environment. Mandeville homeowners benefit from cleaner window surfaces and less risk of long-term moisture issues. Enhancing light without sacrificing performance. Bay windows are known for their ability to bring in abundant natural light. In humid climates, it's important that this light doesn't come at the expense of performance. Modern bay windows allow homeowners to enjoy bright interiors while maintaining protection from outdoor elements. The combination of wide glass panels and moisture-resistant construction ensures that bay windows remain both functional and visually appealing in Mandeville homes. Long-term durability with proper installation. Performance in a humid climate depends heavily on installation quality. Proper flashing, sealing, and alignment help ensure bay windows continue to perform as intended over time. When installed correctly, they resist moisture intrusion and maintain their structural integrity. For Mandeville homeowners, bay windows offer a blend of style and durability. When chosen thoughtfully, they perform well in humid conditions while enhancing comfort, airflow, and the overall beauty of the home.